I'm overwhelmed, so I can't get anything done, and I can't get anything done because I'm feeling overwhelmed. Listen, friend, it's time to take control of your life and overcome feeling paralyzed or stuck or even overwhelmed. Just like me, you've probably experienced many days where you know you have so much to do, but so little time. The problem is you don't know where to start, and because you don't know where to start, you start to feel super overwhelmed. You completely mentally check out. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chrissy. Hello, we are now friends, and I create videos on intentional living, productivity, and creating systems that help you feel more peace in your day-to-day life. Today, I am going over how to organize your life better and beat the overwhelm. It's best to find practices that you feel good with, but you won't know what those practices are until you actually try them out. So let's go ahead and get started. The first practice that you need to implement on a daily basis is write all of your ideas down frequently. Your ideas can include things that inspire you. So for example, this can include meals you want to prepare, gym fits that you want to buy, or a quote that you saw on Instagram. Other ideas can include reminders to yourself, like a birthday party you were just verbally invited to, or maybe you have to remind yourself to wash your laundry on Thursday instead of Saturday because you have a trip coming up. These are just some examples of ideas that you can write down. Now the question is, where should you put your ideas? You can use Notion, Apple Notes, your screenshots folder, even a pen and paper will work. Use something that is easily accessible to you. One way that you can seriously self-sabotage yourself is by keeping everything in your head. For me, I am the type of person who needs an outlet, whether if it's writing it out or talking it out loud. If you keep a list of things in your head, something is bound to get lost in the sauce. The second practice that you should implement on a regular basis is sort your ideas on a dedicated task management system. Out of all of the apps or softwares that you sign up for or have on your phone, like for example, Asana or Notion, pick one and stick to it. Think of this task management system as your second brain. You will always come back to this, but what's important is that your intention is to turn this into a task list form. Let's say you have a goal in mind, you have a goal written down. Think about the tasks you need to create in order to achieve that goal. So that's how you would get a goal converted into a task list. I'm actually curious to know, why do you feel you struggle with being organized? Let me know in the comment section below, and while you do that, I'll let you know that I struggled with organization mainly because I wanted to do a million things at once. So I would take on a task, then I would think about something else I wanted to do or needed to do, and then I would go take on that task. And then I would think of something else I wanted to do, and I would take on that task. So it was just a cycle of basically squirrel syndrome. But don't worry, if your girl can get a solid routine down and organize my life better, then you can too. Third practice that you need to implement on a regular basis is schedule everything into a calendar. Choose a calendar system and stick with it. Keep it near you like a wallet or a set of keys. I was that person that carried around a planner with herself everywhere I went, from middle school all the way to college. I really did, and that's how I kept myself organized for all these years. Putting it on your calendar will clear some mental space for you. Instead of having to constantly think and remind yourself of things you need to get done, you can simply just check your calendar to see what you need to do, and it's right there. The fourth practice that you need to implement is to set yourself up for success. Make it easy on yourself to complete any of your major tasks by preparing it beforehand. I noticed that it's easier for me to wake up in the morning and go to the gym when my clothes are set out and my Apple Watch and AirPods are charged. To simplify everything that we just went over, what I do on a daily basis to organize my life is I dump all my ideas, goals, or tasks in a specific area. I sort all of these things out on a task management tool. I schedule everything on my Google Calendar, and then I set myself up for success by having everything prepared for me prior to taking on the task. Getting all this done throughout the day doesn't just happen the moment I wake up. I'm not always mentally prepared to do so. Because of that, I have an easy morning routine to get my gears going, basically warming me up to take on all my tasks for the day. All right, my friend, it was so nice. It was such a joy having you here. I hope you got to take something away from my video, and I hope that you're able to organize your life just a little bit better starting today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it. And if you want to be my friend, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.